Welcome all of you, my dear student, on our YouTube channel. Please like all video, subscribe and press the bell icon button to get you update about our latest videos. So dear student, in previous video, I think you enjoy that. In previous video, we have already discussed about Cartesian product. We have already discussed about Cartesian product and some examples. Also, again, I take a general example. Of Cartesian product. Suppose A be the any set and having some boys. Suppose this is a set of boys B1, B2 and B3. We can take number of, but I write here only 3, B1, B2, B3. These are the number of boys. And second set B is Z1, Z2 and G3. It is the set of boys. And this is a set of girls. A is set of boys and B is set of girls. Now we try to find cross product between them. What is the cross product? A cross B is equal to this one associate to all other elements of B. So I write here B1 G1, then B1 Z2, then B1 G3, like this. Okay. Next order pair B2 Z2. Next B2 element associate to G1 G2 G3. And we get B2, no, there is a Z1, B2, Z2, then B2, G3. Next time we associate this B3 to Z1, G2, G3. Then this B3, Z1, B3 Z2 and B3 G3. This is a general example, general site without number. Okay. So this is A be the set of boys, any set. Suppose this is the BSc secondary class or this is the BSc TY class, like that. And B be the set of girls, that is G1, G2, G3. So what is the Cartesian product between them, or how can do Cartesian product of A and B? So here A cross B is equal to B1 G1, that means firstly B1 associate to G1 G2 G3, then B2 associate to G1 G2 G3 and B3 associate to G1 G2 G3. So this is also an example. Now I take purely number. Next example, N be the set of first two natural number 1, 2 and W be the set of first three whole number 0, 1, 2. Okay. Then N be the set and W be the set, and we have to find the cross product between them. Element is 1, 2, element is 0, 1, 2. That's right. Now N cross W is equal to N be the set of first two natural number and W be the set of first three whole number. Then I associate this one with three elements of W and we get 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. Is it right? After that 2 associate to 0, 1 and 2. This is the second point possibility. 2, 0, 2, 1 and 2, 2. So this is a n cross w, that is cross product, Cartesian product. Cartesian product, or we say it is cross product. So we get the Cartesian product n cross w is equal to this. I can write this line before this. 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. Okay. Now some properties of this product is given and we have to discuss it. Now what are the properties? First properties, n cross w is not equal to w cross n. That means Cartesian product or the cross product of n cross w and w cross n both are not equal. That means Cartesian product is not commutative. It is a non-commutative. जैसे कि हम 2 into 3 6 रहेगा, 2 into 3 भी 6 रहेगा और 3 into 2 भी 6 रहेगा. So multiplication of two numbers is commutative, but this Cartesian product of two sets never commutative. You can check. Here n cross w is given. Now w cross n. So w cross n में क्या रहेगा? w को फर्स्ट प्रिफरेंस देना पड़ेगा और n के एलिमेंट को सेकेंड. So this zero associate to 1. This 0 associate to 2. After that, this one associate to this one. This one associate to this 2. Then 2 associate to 1. 2 associate to 1 and 2 associate to 2. Both are different. There is a 2 0 element, 0 2 element. So in n cross w, there is one term, that is the 2 0 1 0 0 at the second position. There is no term 0 at the second position. Remember, w first element, every first element belongs to w and every second element belongs to n. And here every first component, first element, first coordinate of the order pair belongs to n and second belongs to w. So remember that n cross w and w cross n, that is the Cartesian product, is non-commutative. Now next very important point, in the definition, what is given that A and B are two sets, but what's about either A or B will be non-empty. दोनों में से अगर कोई सेट, हमने ये डिफिनेशन किया है, A क्रॉस B is equal to, there is order pair AB such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B, but what about either A or B is empty? अगर A या B empty है तो A क्रॉस B empty रहेगा. If either A और B are empty. A और B में से कौन सा भी एक सेट अगर empty है तो हम ऑर्डर पेयर बनाएंगे ही नहीं, ऑर्डर पेयर बनेगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि B में तो कोई एलिमेंट है ही नहीं. There is no element in the B, so how we can do cross product or Cartesian product? So this is the second point. So cardinality is 0. Cardinality of A cross B is equal to 0. So these are some important points about Cartesian coordinates, Cartesian product, cross product. So dear student, remember one thing is that अभी नेटवर्क नहीं है, नेटवर्क की कुछ प्रॉब्लम चल रहे हैं. आप ये वीडियो तुरंत ही देखे ऐसी जरूरत नहीं है। जैसा आपको समय मिले वैसा देख लेना। जो भी डिफिकल्टीज है, इफ एनी डिफिकल्टीज यू हैव, any difficulties, you can comments on that, and then in next time I will try to make a video on your difficulty, on your separate difficulty, and then again study those videos. लेकिन ये बात ध्यान में रखिए कि कोई भी जल्दबाजी ना करे कि तुरंत के तुरंत हम इस वीडियो को पढ़े या तुरंत हमें ये वीडियो अंडरस्टैंड होना चाहिए, तुरंत ये कॉन्सेप्ट हमें अंडरस्टैंड होनी चाहिए। रिलैक्स, क्योंकि एग्जाम को अभी तक बहुत टाइम है। हम जब भी जल्द मिलेंगे आपके डायरेक्टली डिफिकल्टी सॉल्व करने का प्रयास करेंगे, या कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए जो भी डिफिकल्टी है, हम उस पर वीडियो बना देंगे। थैंक यू। नाउ कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट हुआ। थैंक यू।